Hey guys, my name is Jesper Nissen, and in this video I'm going to answer the question, does cloud links help with local SEO? And in order to help me and the algorithm, please leave a comment with the question, does cloud links help with local SEO? Thank you. So, 3 days ago I launched my new course that you can find on my website, and it's called Local Link Building 2025 course. And I wouldn't say a lot, but I got some questions about, does it really help with local SEO to build these cloud links that I show in the course? Because as a part of the SEO course, I do show my process, and it's kind of like an over-the-shoulder process, exactly like my videos here on YouTube. So it's an over-the-shoulder process where I show how do I build the cloud links, what content do I produce with ChatGPT, and how do I combine everything. And as a part of this tutorial series of tutorials where I show what to do, I used my own website or my own GPP. So the GPP that is actually connected to my website, jespernissenseo.com. So if you go to Google My Maps and search for Jesper Nissen, you'll be able to find this Google business profile that's actually connected to my website. And it's not like I'm using my own GPP to get clients or anything like that. But nevertheless, it is, I thought it could actually be a good experience and a good example. So, well, did it help? Well, first of all, I want to show you that. And first of all, let me actually show you what I did. So, I built out this tiered link building structure. So, this is an Excel sheet that I downloaded from YACSS. And you can see here that it's on Amazon, on Google APIs, on Backblaze, Windows.net, that's the Azure, Microsoft Azure, and Linode, and then Wasabi, and it's called Wasabi Sys. And I built out a series of tiered cloud pages, and it's a total, so it's 161 rows, but it's a total of 156 cloud pages that I built. And all these cloud pages I embedded Google My Maps, Google Earth, and all sorts of stuff. And you can actually see, so this is an example of one of the pages that I actually built. And so this is if you haven't seen this kind of website before, it's a static website. You can see here, you can just scroll out to the end. It ends with .html. And so this is a static website uploaded to a subdomain on Amazon AWS. So if I click here on my plugin from Mangools, and I show the data for this exact URL, so you'll be able to see that the domain authority is 56 for this guy and a page authority of 32. And why is that relevant? Well, it is because if you purchase a new domain, publish your WordPress website, and you publish that, and you use your Mangools, and this is a domain authority, page authority, so it's for the numbers from Mars, you'll get 1 and 1. So you're getting handed over a massive domain authority and a massive page authority for free. And if you are able to produce a relevant article and you're able to insert a do-follow link, so this is a do-follow link pointing to what you want to boost, you will be able to see results. And so this is what it looks like. So this is a cloud page here. Sorry, it has a domain authority of 56, page authority of 32, as I showed you, and it's a relevant article that I produced, and it has some information from Wikipedia, and some information about my own GPP. So these are fetched using the Google API, and then points of interest in Aalborg, and local SEO ranking and local SEO, reviews. Here it is, Google Business Profile Reviews. And then some Google stuff embedded here, and driving directions and all of that stuff. So it's 156 pages, all interlinked. I can click on one of these links down here, and then I come over to a page on Windows.net, as you can see. And so it's an interlinked structure of 156 pages. And does that work? Well, let's jump over to YACSS. So I am monitoring 4 keywords here: SEO agency in Aalborg, SEO agency, Aalborg SEO specialist, and local SEO services Aalborg. And I always try to monitor more than one keyword because I want to, and that's both in GPP and also in the organic rankings, because I want to see what the picture is. I mean, if you're only monitoring one keyword, it might be a fluke, it might be random. So we don't want a random image, we want the real picture of what does it do. So you can see here that I started the 30th of April. That's when I launched this CloudStack that I just showed you. And today is the 3rd of May, so 3 days has gone by. And the target keyword that I want to try to boost was SEO agency in Aalborg, or simply SEO agency when searched from Google Maps up here in Aalborg. And this was the starting layout, and so each circle on this grid represents a ranking. If you are geographically positioned in this area on the maps, in the physical world, you grab out, you take out your mobile phone, or you sit at the computer and you're sitting there. I was ranking below number 20. Right here I'm ranking decent, that's because that's how Google works. But you can see I didn't have a lot of good rankings, and if we jump up to today, you can already see that I jumped from position 17.89 to position 11.53. And you can see here that this gives you a better overview of 17.89 and all the way up to 11.53. And that is a massive boost. If you're trying to do local SEO for Google Business Profiles, if you're trying to get better rankings, you know that this is a massive boost. Of course, it should be said that it is of course easier to jump from position 20 to position 10 in the maps than it is from 10 to 1. We all know that, but still, nevertheless, it is a solid ranking boost for the keyword SEO agency in Aalborg. Let's see here the other keywords. SEO agency. I started out 14.29, looked like this, a lot of red dots, and today, 3 days after, I see a lot of yellow dots, still some red, but a lot of yellow, and also some green now. And if we take a look here, you can see that we jumped from position 14.29 to 8.67. Massive improvements. And let's see, is Aalborg SEO specialist. So Aalborg SEO specialist, we were ranking, not bad ranking. I had an average of 7.31, but now we are at 5.18, and it looks like this, a lot of yellow, and now a lot of green. So that's a very nice result. So if you're getting below, if you're getting below ranking number 5 or 4, I mean, if you're getting in the top 3, you really start to notice that your phone can start ringing, or you can start getting leads from your website if you have a contact form on your website. So I just love seeing all of these green. First of all, I love the green color. Who doesn't? I love to see all of these 2s and 3s, and that's just nice. Let's check out the last keywords. Good. Jump from position 11.59 all the way up to 7.73. So a lot of reds and yellow submarine here with the green dot. So, and this is for the keyword local SEO services in Aalborg. So this has been a very promising test for me. It was just a test. I didn't know did it work here in Denmark. Apparently it did. So this is very interesting. So what I'm also seeing as a side effect of this, a positive side effect I should say, that my website jespernissenseo.com has begun to start ranking organically, not in the map, besides the maps. So starting to rank also organically for a lot of these long tail keywords that are included in the local SEO project. So that's a very interesting side effect that seems to occur when you have your website, you mention your GPP, you embed your GPP, and you have a lot of text, a lot of content where you mention your website and all of these long tail keywords, and you have links pointing into the GPP. Then as a side effect, you actually start to see your website ranking organically also for these keywords. And that's just, now I'm not trying to do local SEO for my own. I am here, of course, but I'm not, I have no need to rank in the maps for my own website. This is just a test. But what I do see in my other tests for tree service and roofing and dentist, I see the same picture. The GPP starts to rank, and the website organically also starts to rank for these, the same long tail keywords. So that's just the extremely interesting way that Google works right now. So that's what I have for you today, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and yeah, reach out to me if you have questions. Take care, guys.